In this video, I'm going to show you how to use smart money concepts by LuxAlgo. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to LuxAlgo's official website, you want to sign into your account or create one if you don't have it yet, and then click on the library button top right. And this is going to show you all their indicators, and you want to look for, of course, the smart money concept. So just type in smart money concepts. Like this, there we go, it's going to pop up a bunch of different things, and then the first one should be the smart money concepts, or the SMC. Click on it, and it's going to basically open up a preview here on the chart, so that's what it looks like. And then down here you can read all about it, you can see the configuration settings in case you're interested in that, you can see kind of how this works and stuff like that. And to actually use it yourself, you have a few different options. Now here, it works on the following platforms that it says above, and you have 5 of them: TradingView, NinjaTrader, MT4, MT5, and then Thinkorswim. So select the one you want to use it on. For example, if you want to use it on MetaTrader 4, click on here, you're going to get the instructions, and then just follow these instructions to set it up. And of course, you can do this for any platform. I'm going to do this on TradingView because I do think it's the quickest setup. So I'm going to click on Get Access. And if you just want to use it, that's likely the easiest way. Just click on Get Access again. And then over here, it's going to open up this smart money concepts. You can see what it looks like on a chart. You can add it to favorites, and then of course you have to sign in to your TradingView account, or just create one if you don't have one yet. It's very quick. And then down here at the bottom left of this chart, it says use on chart. So click on it. It's going to open up a chart in a separate tab in your browser here, and as you can see, it's going to apply on the smart money concept just like this. I can now see it on the chart, and yeah, I can now start using it, doing analysis with it, etc. If you want to change the settings, go ahead and hover over your indicator over here, and then click on settings. And then in here, you can set the inputs, style, visibility, stuff like that. You can change it to whatever you want and press OK. But if you can't see it, if for some reason it's not showing for you, click on this object tree over here on the right, and then put your LuxAlgo Smart Money Concepts indicator above your chart here, and that should work for you. And now you should be able to see it on the chart. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.